Hey guys, it's Julia, aka The Mug Life. Welcome to my channel. So I'm doing things a little bit differently. I am actually temporarily homeless. We just moved across country from Texas to Virginia, so I am staying at my mother's house. So I don't have my tripod and all the fun little things, so you just get a little up close and personal today. So today it started Hobby Lobby 80%. And I feel like I can't get good lighting. Okay, we're going with this. So it's 80% off Hobby Lobby, fall decor, floral, not the tableware, Thanksgiving things, just the decor. So it's 80% off. I went to my store and grabbed a few things that I could use just as decor year round or just for the season. But I wanted to share with you, so hopefully you guys can find some of these things. So the first one, okay, I don't know if you can even see how large. I got a tiered tray. It was $34.99. It's the Robert Stanley Signature Collection. I got, how cute. It's a little galvanized little house. I've seen similar things at Target. He's really cute, galvanized. It's $9.99. Me and my husband always say, and we just love it. Blessed. Can you see it? It's like a little picture frame, and it's got the galvanized words on it. And I just thought that was super cute. I'll probably get a picture of me and all of our kiddos and have that in there. And then I got this really cute wall hanging. Let's see. We'll pull it out. It says "Count Your Blessings." It's got a natural wood and then the gray buffalo check, which I love. The gray is one of my favorites. I'm not really big into the black and red, but I really do love the black and white and the gray. And then I got this big old guy. It says "Blessed" as well, and I just love that. It's like metal, kind of like a enamel ware, kind of like chipped and rusty and cute. It does have like a little hanging piece. I know, my store, super small. I already missed my Texas stores. And I did get one Christmas item. I have been looking at this for a while and I just really love it. I'm gonna stain it. I don't quite know what I'm gonna do with it. Stain it, mount it to something. I don't know, but it's the nativity scene. It is really, really, really gorgeous. It's the wood cut out. It's pretty thick, you can see. It's part of the Christmas crafts and it was 50% off, so really, really adorable. I love that. I just love the details in it, and I just thought it would be really, really cute to add in our new home decor, and I loved that. So I do have a little bit of a shot with me that I did around the store, but my store is in Virginia Beach and it's super, super, super small. And it's the only one in our area. So I'm very sad. I do miss Texas, all of the Hobby Lobbies everywhere. So say hello to my Texas family. I miss you. Okay, so that is it for this little short Hobby Lobby 80% off fall decor. I hope you guys will go check it out at your stores if you haven't already, and if it's not already picked over. So good luck shopping. All 80%. These are really big picks. Oh, you know I like the purple. I can't even, this one is $11.99.